Welcome to the Financial Jungle. This is Sharekhan Podcast.
Hello everyone and welcome to Sharekhan Podcast. Today's edition revolves around a popular investment, that is investment in gold. Kindly note, this is an informational piece and not a recommendation. Gold has been the favorite asset class in most of the Indian investors. There are many reasons for buying gold. The yellow metal acts as a hedge against inflation. It is a good diversification strategy and can be purchased easily. One such way of investing in gold is sovereign gold bond. What is sovereign gold bond? A sovereign gold bond is a simple but a superior alternative to buying physical gold. Sovereign gold bonds or SGBs are issued by RBI on behalf of Government of India, usually denominated in grams of gold. Investors have to pay the issue price in cash and the bonds are redeemed in cash on maturity. Let's look at SGBs in detail. SGBs carry a fixed interest rate of 2.5% per annum on the amount of initial investment. Interest is credited semi-annually to the bank account of the investor. SGBs have a tenure of 8 years. However, early encashment redemption of the bond is allowed after the 5th year. SGB prices are linked to the prices of gold of 999 purity published by Indian Bullions and Jewellers Association, hence no purity issues. There is no risk of theft, no risk of fraud. There is no storage cost as they are in demat form. Low taxability. Interest on SGB is taxable but capital gains on the maturity of SGBs are exempted from taxation. It can also be used as a collateral for loans. These bonds are also tradable on exchanges. And finally, there is a sovereign guarantee as it is issued by Central Government of India, hence eliminating the risk of default. Let us also look at the key risk. Investment in SGBs can result in a capital loss as the bond value is directly linked to the price of gold in the international markets. If the price at which investor bought the bond is higher than the price at which they redeem it at maturity, they might end up in loss. The subscription for the 11th series of SGB scheme will open on February 1 and will close on February 5. The SGB units will be allotted on February 9, 2021. Above information is based on RBI's press release on SGB scheme as on 9th October 2020. For more details, disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to Sharekhan Mail on Sovereign Gold Bond Scheme or kindly contact our nearest branch. It's been a pleasure bringing you the Sharekhan podcast and thank you for listening in as always.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.